Hello, 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 hello. I'm just... Oh, I need to turn the lights on. That's better. You can see me now. Well, actually, I say that's better, but not really. Okay. Hello. Happy Christmas, everybody. Surprise stream for you today. You weren't expecting me to be streaming right now, were you? Hey? But I've been doing a bit of playing around with text-to-speech on my stream, and I wanted to do a bit of a stream to test it out. Because I can't test it without streaming. And here's Carrothouse resubscribing. Hey, how you doing? Merry Christmas to you. That's one thing I need to work on the TTS, actually, that I've not done yet, is anything for subscriptions. But I am working on, and I've got a test redemption for channel points that nobody else can redeem because it's too expensive, but I can do a test like this, but I can't do test with actual bits. So hopefully this will work. Or maybe it won't. Have I broken it already? Oh, I know what I need to do. I need to actually start the processing of it, don't I? That would help. Here it comes.
With 200 bits made, Jenko Text says.
Hello, Carters.
I think that came through there, did it? So I have currently got it set so that it'll do text-to-speech on any cheer of 1 bit or more for testing. Once I'm happy it's working, then I shall put the price up, but I don't know what to offhand. Possibly 100 bits. Possibly only 50 bits, I'm not sure. So, if you happen to have a spare bit lying around, Carrothouse, do you fancy doing a little cheer? I mean, it'll only take 1 bit, which is worth, I think, one American cent. I'm also going to play a bit of Quake. The first time you do a cheer, it should It should automatically allocate you a random voice. So everybody will sound different. And I'm going to turn this down, I think. It's a bit loud. Where are we? I need to turn down that one, isn't it? I think, no. There. That should be a bit quieter. Hang on, let's get the right window back up here. Yeah. Yeah, as I was saying, it should allocate you a random voice. And if you don't like the voice you... Ooh, 100! Blimey, that was a good one. That's generous of you. I was only expecting 1 bit. Now, I don't know if that's actually worked. Oh, it didn't work. I have an error. Why did that error? Error, non-type object is not subscriptable. It hasn't allocated you a user. Yes, I can. Well, I can manually do it. Because I have all the data from it. But why did that not work? Got sub callback. That was the description. Points callback. Oh no, that was the... Hang on, what's going on here? No, that was my... That was the points callback, it's the bits callback. Error while running callback. Line 135. Right. Oh, it doesn't print that data to the screen, does it? And it hasn't allocated you a user ID. Because for some reason that part of the code has disappeared. Okay. There's a bit missing from my code here. Let's pop that in. Insert into users, set name equal that, voice equal that with ID and vdata 0. ID I've got, vdata I've got, so that should work. That should then send a whisper. You didn't get a whisper at all, did you, from me? And then it should call that. Let's manually go in and create you a user. Although I can't. I haven't got your user ID. Because I didn't print it, did I? That was silly. Pprint data. Oh, did you just do something moderator-ish? Thank you very much. Right. Hopefully this now might work. Actually, what I'm going to do is... let's just bring up my dashboard in a second window. Then if I go to the... Where's my channel points? I can never find anything in this dashboard. channel points. I'm going to drop the channel points for the test one down to 1. Right. Can I get you to redeem the cheer test? That'll create you a user and allocate you a voice in a moment when I need to restart the stream bot. And okay, right. If you redeem cheer test with any old rubbish in the text, you got a whisper that time. Excellent. So hopefully now it should process. No, I've still not got a... Oh, error open callback. Okay, what's going on here now? It's refusing to create you a user. So this is at 109. I'm not able to do that because UData is none. Oh, of course, I'm not creating UData at that point, am I? Hang on. I then need to do that in there and also in here because I need UData at that point. Hang on, I've kind of got something wrong with my logic here. Okay, so I look for the user. If there is no user, I create a user. No, if there is no user, I select a random voice. I create a user. I send a whisper. I load the user. I then, if there is a user, I load the voice. I don't need to load the voice anymore because that's done separately. Insert into TTS. So there's pretty print VData there. And here I shall pprint UData. Let's try this and see what I get. Right. And can you do a cheer test again? Let's see what comes up on my console now in the way of a horrible error. Ah, I think we might have something this time.
With 200 bits, Caritas 82 says.
Giving out all of these orders.
Hey! That worked. Right, now I need to replicate that in the bits redemption. So if we've... let's just copy that whole section.
With 200 bits, Caritas 82 says.
And coffee in Canada.
Canadian coffee. Okay, so what have I got here? Let's print the data there for... Right, now I don't need any of that lot. Okay, in here now I've got get a cursor, execute, select the user data, put that into UData. If there is no UData, select a random voice, store in VData, print it, execute the insert the user using ID, which I have, and VData, which I have. Send the whisper, and then select the user and store it in UData, then print the UData, then insert that. Right, that should work. Right, now, I need to restart the queue. How do you mean slow down the output? Make it talk slower? You can do that by choosing a different voice which speaks slower. But I've got no control over that sort of thing at all, I'm afraid. Right. I might now have it working with bits, possibly. Could I get you to do a 1-bit cheer for me? And see if that comes out with a message.
With 551 bits, Caritas 82 says.
Cheer 1, it's weird to only cheer 1 bit.
Why did that come up with how many? 551. Oh, is that? Oh, that's... Ah. That's the total number of bits you've ever cheered on here, I think. Yeah, it's... no, I'm looking at the wrong one. It's total bits used or bits used. I need bits used. That's an error. Oh, Majenko had a bit farm. E-I-E-I-O. Right, that should be working much better now. So another single bit cheer, and it should work with only us saying you've only used one bit.
Marines, we're at 5% ground force operational status.
It should be doing just the one bit, which is hopefully what I've fixed now.
With 1 bits, Carter's 82 says.
Yes.
Cheer 1, does this do total bits cheered or just 1 bit?
That is a very, very fast voice that it's allocated you, isn't it? I'm just going to reduce the cost of the change of voice to just 5 for now. Let's just try if we can change your voice to
But I must explain to you how all this mistaken identity.
something a bit slower.
But I must explain to you how.
Let's try Richard. If you now do the change voice redeem and enter the name Richard in the message box, we'll see what happens. Oh, you can choose a different one then if we want.
But I must explain to
Try Tom, if you don't like Richard. Oh, you chose Richard. Right, now try doing a cheer test redemption so it doesn't cost you any more bits. And it should change your voice now.
With 200 bits, Carter's 82 says.
How's my voice now?
There we go. That sounds much more like you. The other dude? Which other dude? There's only you and me here today.
Marines, we're at 5% ground force operational status.
The other voice, the one doing the introduction, that is... oh, what's his name? That's Alan. A voice actor called Alan Pope created that voice. So it's called Alan. If you go to majenko.co.uk/voices, you can see all the voices there and listen to the samples of them and choose which one you'd like. Oh, the other voice, that was Tom. There's hundreds of voices to choose from.
With 200 bits, Carter's82 says,
Hi, I'm Tom, not Carters.
Marines were at 5% ground force operational status.
Have I not got a Jerry? I can always change names if I really want to, but I just pretty much randomly assigned them. Yes, I got the reference. Yeah, I'm saying if we really want a Jerry in there with Tom, then I could create it or rename one of them to Jerry easily enough. So we do have Tom and Jerry.
Recon established and confirmed heavy fortification near enemy comm facility.
Right, I'm happy it's working now. At least this part of it is. So, what do we reckon for cost? And I've rate limited it to 1 every 5 seconds, so it can't really get flooded. So I'm torn between 50 bits or 100 bits as a minimum. $50 to start, yeah. I think you're right there. And yeah, for the change voice, at the moment I'm on 5,000 for that. But is that a bit too much, do you think? Should it be less, 500? Yeah, I think you're right there, 500. Let's knock a 0 off there. And I shall just edit the web page that goes with it all. So it's for 50 bits or more, and for 500 channel points. That should be right now. Okay, yeah, we're set to 50 minimum and a 500 for the channel points. I think that should do. Yeah, that's there purely really for my testing, so I don't really want anyone else using it. Although I could have it as an actual redemption for 10,000 or something pretty high. So it is something that people could use if they've amassed enough points. What do you mean? So we have 10,000 points for that as a channel point redemption. So you can still TTS without having to spend money if you've been on the channel long enough and amassed enough points. So I'll want to change the name of that. Send a TTS message. And 10,000. Let me just get my images mounted. And downloads, where are we? Use the megaphone one from before. Okay. That's in there now. But I need to change the script now to match the message. Send a TTS message. Bits is going to be 0 on this. Right, that should work. And restart the bot. Right, we should now have that as an official redemption for 10,000 points, and it should be working. Right. More slayage! I'm surprised you haven't had them going already, those roads. I'm surprised you weren't messing with them at the moment you got them out of the box under the Christmas tree. I know I would have been. Ow, 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 ow. Get off. Ah, families. Christmas is a time to get away from the families, isn't it? That lift hurts. I need the blue key. Now, where is the blue key? Oh, this bit. I hate this bit. Where do I have to go for this? I need to be up there, don't I? Yeah, around here, up here. Up here. Over here. Back over this way. Back through here. Please do. I wish to compare before and after. No, I don't want to be that way. Oh, I can't remember where I need to go. That's it. There, that's what I want. And now I need the environment suit. Put that on and into here. No, I'm right back at the beginning here, aren't I? I didn't be here. Can't remember where the blue key is. Oh, duh, there's the blue key. On thick. Running straight past it all the time. There we go. That's that level done. We're back to here again.
Marines, we're at 5% ground force operational status.
So this is now all open in here. Get over the bridge. Ow. Ha! He hurt himself. Have some. That hurt. I need some health.
Marines, we're at 5% ground force operational status.
Right, back to here again. I've already got one of those, I don't need it. Down here there's a bonus bit, isn't there? There we go. A good old double barrel. Ah. Nice. Off we go. Absolutely. That's what these games are all about, is causing as much pain as possible to these digital enemies. I should really have my streaming window open, shouldn't I, so I can see what's happening. Right. Some very welcome health. Right, that's the way back. Press that button there. Cause mayhem over that way. Press that button there. Cause a bit of pain down there. Squelch. that's the one to bring the lift down, isn't it? I would if they programmed that into Quake. Maybe we should make Quake the nice version. Where instead of bullets, your guns fire bunny rabbits. Right, this is pretty much where I had got to last time, and I was completely confused as to what to do and where to go. I mean, we're getting into the realm of going postal then, aren't we? I don't know if you've come across going postal, but there is the silencer in going postal is a cat. You stick a cat on the end of your gun. It doesn't harm the cat. But I think if I were to play that game on stream, it would have to be an 18+ stream. Right, now this is where I had got to before, and I couldn't work out how to get any further, because this door is opened elsewhere. And that door up there is opened elsewhere. So there is a button somewhere that I'm missing. That's opened elsewhere. So what is it that I have missed on this level? That button's pressed. That button is pressed. That's the way in. That does that lift. That one's pressed. So I am now confused where to go and what to do. I managed to get up onto there. Ah, right. I think I made it through. Now that opens that. Right, gotcha. Ah, shooting that turns that off, so I could have just shot that. Okay. And then there's a button there which opens something. Ah, it opens this section here. Right, making progress now. Where'd he go? Where's he gone? Come on, fall over, will you? Who's that? Where's he gone? Yeah. Whee! Okay, that's a dunking thing. How could I not? I'm assuming we go down this way. Who's doing that? You. You won't do that anymore, will ya? Right, so we've got a button at the far end, which opens the door. Duke Nukem, absolutely. Maybe next time I'll do some Duke Nukem. So I'm not sure if that works properly on Linux, but we can try. Ah, I'm back in this room again now. be the way out, I think. I don't want to go that way just yet. Or is that the way out? Power cubes needed to restore power. I need a power cube. Maybe it is this way then. Collect power cubes. Ha! Perfect timing there. Squelch. Yeah. Let's back up to here. Right, that does what? Unlocks that. Have some. Haha. Power cube. Oops, missed. Could you do the honors, Caratos? Cheers. Oh dear, out of ammo. Cleaning? What's that? There's another power cube. Channel's obviously becoming popular if I'm getting multiple spammers each stream now. Just opens that. That's opened elsewhere. Up and down here. And another power cube. And you're cheering again. Thank you very much,
With
Caritas.
50 bits, Caritas82 says.
Share 50 hello. My name is Richard or Tom. I can't remember. Dear spammers, you are not welcome to our cool stream.
With moderators like you around, I don't think they'll last very long. No, it's just dropping down here, isn't it, I think? Don't think I can get out without dropping down. And then we've got a ladder here. That'll do it. Alright, back here. Back to the station or wherever it is. Anything else over this way to do? I don't think there is. Is it back this way now? I've been that way. So that makes that go up and down. So I think I have to be quick on that. Got it. I don't know if I want to be here or not. That's where I got a cube from, which opened up that. Can't get out through there. Confused now. I am definitely confused here now. That's the way out, that where I came from. And that's got a conveyor belt running on it. Everything around here has been pressed and collected. I don't know where to go. No, I am mightily confused. I wonder if Duke 3D will work. I'll have to install it first. Could take a while. Oh. Oh, they make a horrible smell. They do. We got one like that. You can't do it without having the windows open in the kitchen, and it makes a horrible smell. It just fills the whole place with, not so much smoke, more this sort of acrid taste that permeates everything. But it beats cleaning it manually, though. And we got an ad break running. So, halfway downloaded. See if I can get this working on Linux. I just realised there's something missing. Didn't have my hat on, did I?
I love it.
Right, let's see what this does. It's trying. This might be another one of those that really doesn't like my window manager in Linux. tries to run and stops. Come on, work. No, it's not happy. Doesn't like it. I would if I had a version that would run in DOSBox, but this is the Steam version, so it's tied to Steam in some way. I don't know how, but it's hard to separate these things out from Steam. I don't think I've got a version, have I? No. I've got ISOs of Quake 3, Quake 3 Arena, Dungeon Keeper, good game. The original Fallout. Oh, it just did something then, I'm not sure what. Something flashed up. Still trying to run and failing. Oh, a window just popped up and then disappeared, and it says not running. No, that doesn't want to work on Linux. What else have I got on here that's retro? Half-Life, that needs updating. That's updated. Will Half-Life work? I mean, it should do. It's native Linux, this one. But will it work on my setup here? No. I'm going to log out of my computer and go in on KDE, I think. See if that helps. Where are we? Plasma X11. That's not Plasma. Why did I go back in on i3? X11. Plasma. Go. That's better. Now, can I get OBS running? There we go. And Steam. And Duke Nukem. Says it's launching. Still launching. Still trying. A brief flash and it's gone. Nope. It does not like it on here. How about Half-Life? Can that work? I mean, I could try getting the original Fallout going on here, I guess. Half-Life doesn't want to work either. I'm not sure I've got set up on DOSBox on here. In fact, I haven't got anything really set up on DOSBox. PCEM might be a better solution. Let's make a new computer. What do we want to run this on? P2 450? And we want my favourite 9440. Yes, I know. You've also got a dual P2, you lucky thing. I don't really want Voodoo graphics emulation. Sound card, Sound Blaster 16. Let's make a new hard drive. And I shall call this Games. And we shall use a right, we have a hard drive. And we're going to want a CD-ROM drive as well, aren't we? Right. We have a computer. Now we need an operating system on it. And come back. Alright, CD-ROM. Load image. Right, what operating system do we want on this? What should we run on here? 95, 98, XP. I think 98 probably, isn't it? Hello, Mock Helix. We've just been playing a bit of Quake 2 whilst working on the TTS system that we've now got. And now I'm just setting up a virtual Windows 98 machine to see what games I can get going on that. And I need to go into the BIOS. If it will. It's not happy. Right, we're in. That's better. And can we get some on here? Oh, wow. Thank you for the gifted stuff, Carrot House. You're in a generous Christmassy mood today, aren't you? Either that or you're still drunk from yesterday. That's better, we're booting now. It depends what the weather's like where you are, Mock Helix. Well, we're formatting. I'm going to need a serial number for this, aren't I? I have no idea what 63F is. It could be roasting hot, it could be freezing cold for all I know. Right, serial number for Windows 98, second edition. There's one. $17, that is pretty warm for winter.
With 0 bits, Majenko Tech says,
Welcome, Mo Calix, and I hope you had a happy Christmas.
I have infinite channel points. It's my channel. It's one of the advantages of being the streamer, the broadcaster. I get infinite points. You lucky thing. I get a t-shirt, a pair of jeans, and some chocolate, and that's about it. We're not very big on gifts over here. 59% done. Not a chance, Caritas. Yes, to me, Christmas is a time of too much eating. Far too much eating. If there is such a thing as far too much when it comes to eating. $78, nearly that. I'm sure you do. I've done my fair share of them over the years as well. On new PCs. Nearly that, 96. Yeah, we're getting ready to run Windows for the first time. I don't think it is my first time. And I accept. And product key. Now I cheat with my product keys. All my product keys are on here. And they've all got little QR codes with them. And barcode reader. Pip. Except it doesn't work on this one, does it? So what did that do? That's not part of the barcode. How did that come through? Every single word. I know it by heart. I think this is going too fast for it. I'm going to have to type this in manually. Close your eyes while I do this. I don't want anybody stealing this product key that I stole off somewhere else. Oh, it's initializing its driver database. I can pretty much summarize the whole of the license agreement for you if you really want. In a nutshell, it basically says, do you agree that on the event of your death, Microsoft will own your soul for eternity? I do like the way that Microsoft actually have a message here to say, if it crashes, turn it off and on again. Nearly that. Of course, by now I could have just reached over and got the Compact Desk Pro and rigged that up, couldn't I? But where's the fun in that? We like doing a 98 setup. The other day it was a real Windows 98 machine, which is, it's over there. I could reach over and collect it and plug it all in, but can't be bothered. We like doing a bit of a 98 installation. Oh yeah, you're supposed to avoid the bullets, aren't you? Come on, hurry up. The longest bit of any installation. Updating system settings. Nearly done. It is. It's Microsoft minutes. They're like country miles. They go on forever. And the rest. Got to sort out drivers and things now. Cool, that's looking healthy. Oh, we've got sound anyway. Ish. Kind of. Quality, isn't it? Yeah, it doesn't really like the graphics that much on here, does it? It thinks it's got the right drivers anyway. But I think there might be a bug in the Trident video card emulation on this. Nice. Quality there. I think we might want a different video card. S3 Verge DX. Let's see what it thinks of this then. So far it's looking more healthy. That's much better. Right, let's load an image. Is it the wrong format? No. It's just because it's got ISO in capitals, that's all the reason for that. It seems to have stretched my mouse pointer slightly there, changing the resolution. And reboot again. It's really struggling with sound, isn't it? It's a really annoying clicking sound going on there, isn't there? Well, it thinks it's working, just very small. I've run out of space on drive C. How much space do you need? God. $461 meg just for Windows. I think I underestimated the size of the hard drive needed for this. Delete a load of rubbish. In the meantime, I think we can go back to Fallout. Hang on. First, I think. Oh, there is no options. He'll do. It really can't handle the sound, can it? Remember how you play this now. I seem to remember dying an awful lot in this. Fight time. I don't think I have my knife equipped at the moment. I still smacked that rat into oblivion. Inventory. Item 1, item 2. Okay. I think I'm good to go now. Fallout has come an awful long way since the days of this game. I used to play this, if I remember rightly, I used to play this on the Xbox. The screen is so dark I can't see what I am doing. Oh, I'm stuck in a corner. No wonder I can't go anywhere. I want to go this way. Another rat. I seem to remember it being reasonably easy up until the moment you meet your first rad scorpion. At which point you pretty much die instantaneously. Where am I going? I'm stuck again. Gone the wrong way. This way I want to go. I really can't see anything on this screen at the moment. It's a combination of the two. Well, it's... emulation speed is pretty low. And we're running at 50% emulation speed at the moment. So it should be going about double the speed. But the game is quite sluggish as well at times. But it's only while you're in the sort of close combat areas that it's slow going. Otherwise you're charging around the landscape at high speed like this. What's down here? Quite possibly. I mean, that's pretty much what it's running as at the moment. Why did I come in here? I didn't want to come in here. Oh, being attacked. And it'd be better to play this on real hardware, of course. Oh, rad scorpions. Well, bye-bye. Go for its head. I've been poisoned. I'm nearly dead. Oh, I do not like rad scorpions. Oh, 1 hit point left. Like I said, nice and easy up until you reach your first rad scorpion, at which point you die. And I'm dead. But yes, I think that needs either different emulation or real hardware to play that one. I mean, PCM it's a good system, but I do think it goes a bit sluggish sometimes. Fine for emulating a desktop, but seems a bit sluggish on games, which is understandable. Games are pretty hefty things. Right, what should we try next then? I've got about 15 minutes left of stream time today. What else have we got? Oh, that's a game I haven't played for ages, and it's Linux native as well. Need to set it up. Is this working or not? Where did that install to? Doesn't seem to want to run. Needs a library. Lib read line. Version 6. My Linux is just too new for this game. I need to compile it from source. Joy. The joys of Arch Linux. Hey, that's working a bit better. Or it's thinking about it anyway. Not sure what it's doing now. Whatever it's doing, you can't see it. It's just gone completely screwy on my screen. No, it didn't like that. Oh, hello, Season B. I didn't see you lurking in there. You're coming up on my chat the same colour as Carrot House, so I just didn't see you. I thought I was talking to Carrot House. From this distance, you both look the same. Nope, this isn't working. Can't play Beneath a Steel Sky. In fact, I think this completely crashed my computer now. Yeah, that completely crashed X. In fact, that's made a complete and utter mess of X. It's put me down to one monitor at 640 by 480. Let's get that one up to resolution first. And enable the other monitor. And I might be back to some semblance of normality. And launch OBS. And right, I'm back on here again now. Right, I don't quite know what happened to it on here, but it went completely screwy. And back to chat again. Ignoring you? Absolutely, yes, you're Canadian. Right. What to do for the next 10 minutes? I guess I might have another quick bash at Quake, since I know it works. Let's see if I can work out that bit that's puzzling me. Eventually when it loads, takes forever to load. We're getting that. Yeah, then I can get rid of this Dell. I could do with separating out my Windows computer from my streaming computer, so that I can stream Windows. Right, where was I on here? Yes, I was trying to work out where to go from here. So I've collected the cube from here, which opened up this area. And then brought me along here to this bit, which then brings me down to here. That just controls that cube, which lets you get to that. But these are just back down to the station. Oh, hang on, I can't have been here. Did I miss this entire section last time I was playing? I must have done. I think I know where I went wrong last time now. No, I quite like my little Dell, except it's just so unexpandable. I've put the best graphics card I could get for it in it, which is just a GTX 1050. Because it's got a poxy little power supply in it. No room for anything bigger than that, and no power connectors on the power supply to do anything with. So you're very limited what you can do with it. And there are people that I've seen online that have got the same computer as me and have modded it by adding an external power supply to it. Thanks. Although I was only 1 point down from maximum anyway, but... he needs health. So they've got this tiny little case with a big video card in it and this carbuncle strapped to the side of it. Oh, the one on the right that's F-17. I think that's my my armour. Oops, missed. Oh, hello. I wondered what had opened. Ah, finally got my last power cube. Squelch. This door is opened elsewhere. There's plenty of stuff up there if I could... oh, if I could work out how to get up there. There's a ladder. Duh. And a button. I think today was a bad day to come to work for him. Right. I'm back near the beginning now, aren't I? I can't remember what I'm supposed to be doing now. There's nothing new there, though, of course. Aha. Now I can take these cubes back over to the other side. And out to the warehouse. Restore power to key warehouse components. That's one done. Cheeky. Gotcha. That's 2 done. I have a lack of ammo now. Kind of wasted it all. Phew. Proceed to detention centre. Ow. I'm almost dead. And I'm out of time as well. Oops. That was silly. Up, across, and step off. Okay. Blow the door up. 3 health left. And I'm dead. Right, time for me to go. No, I know it's not 10 PM, it's 5 PM, it's time for me to eat. Where are we over on here? And yeah, alright. Well, it was an impromptu stream, this one. I wasn't really planning on streaming, but the opportunity arose, so I thought, why not? May as well do a... God, my... Oh no, I've not got my light on up there, have I? It's so dark in here, my webcam has gone to really low frame rate. Put a bit more light on. Ah, there we go. That's a bit better. Yeah, a bit of an impromptu stream that, but I got the TTS system working nicely, which is good. I want to add alerts to it for things like subscriptions, but that can come later. For now, the main TTS is working, which is good. So, yeah, time for me to go, and that means outro time. Right, well, thank you for joining me on this impromptu extra stream to make up for lack of streams over Christmas while I was doing other things. But, hey, we're back to it now. So, yeah, if you enjoyed that and want to see more of what I do, you might like to follow the channel or even subscribe if you like it a lot. You can always join on Patreon. Let's get it right. In which case you'll get your name in lights down the bottom here during the outro, as well as a few other bonuses and benefits. Find me on YouTube and Discord and all those sort of things. And I should hopefully see you on Thursday, if I don't sneak in a few more streams before then, because, I mean, I'm not working too much at the moment over Christmas week, so I might slip a few extra streams in here and there. So turn on those notifications so that you get an alert when I next go live. So, but yeah, thank you for joining me, and I hope you had a good Christmas, and I will see you next time.